Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Wireshark. I am a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building enterprise networks and teaching people about them. Prior to the advent of Wireshark in 1998, engineers required extremely expensive, proprietary equipment to capture and analyze traffic. Or they may even use an oscilloscope to translate waveforms into ones and zeros, and then later construct those ones and zeros into frames, packets, segments, and data. That was a very sophisticated task, but today we have Wireshark, which is supported by a brilliant group of engineers around the world, provides the ability to analyze multitudes of different protocols used in network communication, and is absolutely free. Understanding how to analyze protocols can make troubleshooting network issues much easier and make you feel like a network engineering superhero when solving application and network issues. In this course, I will introduce you to the Wireshark application itself, as well as protocol analysis. Some of the major topics we're going to cover are getting started with protocol analysis itself, installing and understanding Wireshark operation. We'll look at how to capture traffic and begin protocol analysis. We're going to learn how to use display filters to isolate the traffic we need to analyze. And we're going to understand the fundamentals of TCP operation and use Wireshark to examine TCP sessions. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Wireshark to capture website traffic, filter out the required messages, and observe the clear text web data contained in the TCP session. This course will open up opportunities for you to use your skills to capture, examine, and analyze traffic on any network, and allow you to feel comfortable learning more about protocol analysis in future courses and in your own studies. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn to use Wireshark to capture and analyze traffic with the Getting Started with Wireshark course at Pluralsight.